Ayan guys, gagawa tayo ng Mexican sandwich. Ito guys, nag-ano tayo ng yogurt. Ito yung sauce natin. May sriracha, lemon at salt, pepper lang. So ayan, ang ating sauce. At ito yung ating tortilla bread with sliced very thin cucumber, fresh tomato, and white onion, and lettuce. So, tapos guys, lagyan natin ng chicken. Ayan, magura natin ng chicken. Ayan. Lagyan na natin ng chicken para i-wrap na natin siya. Ayan, damihan natin ng chicken. Ayan, tapos i-tap na natin yung yung sauce natin. This is a Mexican sandwich recipe. Ayan guys, so sana nasundan. Ang chicken guys, minarinate ko lang siya ng cumin powder, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and olive oil. Ayan na guys. Yan, tapos i-grill natin siya hanggang matuyo, hanggang yung katas lang ng manok guys ang nagpapaluto. No need to add oil in the pan. Alright guys. Ayan, napaka-easy at simple. Thank you. Alam din tayo ng manipis-nipis na tomato, lettuce, fresh white onion, and fresh cucumber. Ayan na guys. Ayan na. Ready na yung natin. Tortilla, Mexican tortilla sandwich. Chicken sandwich. Ayan. Kaya ito guys, i-wrap na natin. Thank you so much for watching. Ayan. Napakaliwanag guys. Napaka-easy and looks delicious. Thank you so much for watching.